Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling press to pause workouts on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, you can press the digital crown and side button simultaneously to pause and resume your workout. This makes it easier to quickly pause or resume your workout. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Workout. Then scroll down and tap the toggle to the right of Press to Pause. When the toggle is green, Press to Pause Workouts is enabled. When grey, it is not. Remember that you have to press both the digital crown and the side button to pause and resume your workout. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.